Another week, another big AI headline, this time about DeepSeek and Alibaba dropping a new AI model that supposedly costs peanuts to train. Sounds game-changing, right? The market sure thought so this week. Well, hold on a second. The real story here isn't about DeepSeek's reported costs, which are, let's be honest, probably exaggerated or at least missing some key details. Where is AI going forward? Maybe AI isn't as hard as we thought. One thing that's becoming clear with all these new models, maybe building a strong AI model isn't as impossible as it once seemed. Once OpenAI and others cracked the code on how to build large language models, it started looking more like a blueprint than a secret recipe. Now, companies with the right mix of computing power, data, and engineering talent are churning out their own versions, sometimes for a fraction of the cost we originally thought was necessary. Of course, this doesn't mean the next level of AI, artificial general intelligence, will be as easy to replicate. AGI is a whole different ballgame, requiring breakthroughs in reasoning, self-learning, and adaptability beyond the narrow tasks today's models perform. But for now, the lesson is clear. Training a powerful AI model has gone from an elite, almost mystical achievement to something that's just expensive, maybe, and resource-intensive, but doable. And that makes the AI market a lot less predictable. AI is no longer just for the big guys. A year ago, OpenAI, Google, and a handful of other major players seemed to have a firm grip on the AI market. Now, not so much. With Alibaba, xAI, and countless others entering the game, AI is no longer just a battle of titans. It's an all-out brawl. The craziest part? The difference between these AI models isn't as massive as you'd think, at least, not for the average user. Whether you're chatting with ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or whatever Alibaba's latest tool is called, you're still getting solid, high-quality responses. And that's where things get interesting. If every model is good enough, what happens next? According to my economics textbook, oversupply means high competition and great access to individuals and businesses at lower costs. A good thing for us mere common folk, right? The empire strikes back. Eventually, not so fast. Even with AI models becoming easier to replicate, the tech giants still hold a massive advantage, and not just because of their balance sheets. The real problem for these players? Marketing, distribution, and deeply embedded ecosystems. Take Microsoft, Google, and X, formerly Twitter. These companies aren't just creating AI models. They're weaving them into the very fabric of their platforms. Microsoft has made sure that once you're in its loop, you're stuck in it. Copilot is baked into Windows, Office, Teams, and Azure, making it the default AI for anyone using their products. Google is doing the same thing with Gemini across Search, Workspace, and Android. And Elon Musk's AI play with xAI? It's already inside X and will likely spread through Tesla and beyond. This deep integration makes it a challenge for a newcomer, no matter how great their model is. So even if DeepSeek was the most downloaded app and has the day in the sun, it will hit the inevitable resistance wall put up by those big players that control so much of what we see and use. This means that while the AI model race might feel wide open, the companies with built-in user ecosystems will control adoption. It's not just about making a great AI, it's about having the right distribution and use cases. Place your bets. So, where does this leave investors today? This past Monday, the market was jolted with the reality of new AI participants leading to a sharp decline. While certainly some of this downdraft was based on the AI uncertainty, much was also due to the lofty heights some of these AI-related companies had reached. While investing in this space certainly became murkier this week, if you're looking for the winners for our AI future, follow the infrastructure, not just the hype. Here's my take on a few of these key AI players. Microsoft, the king of AI integration. With AI embedded into Office, Windows, Azure, and LinkedIn, Microsoft is set to benefit no matter who builds the next big model. Plus, they own a massive stake in OpenAI and have the available cash to handle large infrastructure investments. Google, another AI king with Gemini AI built into its services. I'm a little less enthusiastic about this one, only because I believe future AI interfaces may impact their existing search business. I know I certainly do less Google searches. Apple, the ultimate gatekeeper. While Apple has Apple Intelligence just beginning in their iPhones and iPads, their ecosystem control means they'll be able to gain acceptance quickly. And let's be real. When Apple finally makes the full leap into a comprehensive AI world, they will likely dominate. NVIDIA. Every AI model, no matter who builds it, still needs cutting-edge chips. NVIDIA continues to not only be the leader in the most advanced AI chips, but also expanding its AI training frameworks, giving it a crucial competitive edge, optimizing AI development and deployment. Disclaimer. The content provided in this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. The opinions expressed are based on publicly available information and are subject to change. All investments involve risk, including the potential loss of principal. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Viewers should consult a qualified financial advisor to determine what investments may be suitable for their individual circumstances. The creator of this video assumes no responsibility or liability for any financial decisions made based on this information. Before we wrap up, we want to take a moment to thank you for joining us on this journey through the ever-evolving world of AI. Your support is what keeps us going, and we're committed to bringing you the latest insights and analysis. We encourage you to join our community by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the notification bell so you never miss an update. Whether you're an investor, a tech enthusiast, or just curious about AI, we're here to provide you with valuable content. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thank you for being part of our growing community. Now let's move on to the final thoughts on AI evolution and investment strategy. The bottom line? AI is evolving at breakneck speed with new models and players emerging constantly. While the competition among AI providers is fierce, the real winners will be those who control the infrastructure, distribution, and integration. And that's where companies like Microsoft, Apple, and NVIDIA hold a distinct advantage. Microsoft is embedding AI into everything. Apple is the ultimate gatekeeper, and NVIDIA is powering it all with the chips that make AI possible. Meanwhile, Google finds itself in a delicate balancing act, integrating AI while protecting its core search business. For investors, the key isn't just betting on the best AI model, but following the money behind the AI revolution: chips, cloud services, and entrenched ecosystems. No matter who wins the AI race, they'll all be running on the same track. And that track is built by the semiconductor giants and tech platforms that control access to billions of users. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more updates on AI and technology.